back with another one for y'all. Check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over how much Spotify paid me for January 2021. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel, every month I drop a video showing how much Spotify paid me. And today, it's March, right? The end of March, going into April. And we just got another Spotify royalty payment. So I wanted to make this video just to show y'all how much I got paid and to go over how many streams it took me to get that amount, and to show the different amounts from the different countries I got Spotify streams in. Now, we're gonna hop straight into it. If we go to my music report, you will see I got the sales posted on March 27th. If we scroll down, you will see all of the different countries which you can get paid out from Spotify. Spotify is available in over 92 countries. And if we scroll, you will see all of the different countries which I got paid out from, right? And we're gonna go all the way down to the United States, right? And you can see the United States Spotify streams, I got paid out $156.58. Now, if we go in a little further, see the sales report, and we sort the sales from January, right? Just the month of January. And for Spotify, you will see I got 43,268 streams, and that's what paid me out $156.58. Now, if we pull up the calculator, I could show you how much Spotify pays per stream. Now, in order to get the royalty rate per stream, all you have to do is subtract the total amount, $156.58, divided by the total amount of streams, right? 43,268. And you will see Spotify paid me 0.0036 per stream, right, for 43,000 streams on Spotify. So if y'all have any questions, y'all can always email me at info@yonworld.org. Again, that's info@yonworld.org. Leave a comment, subscribe. More videos like this coming every single month on Yon World. Stay tuned. I'm out. Peace.